Welcome friends to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing 25 most important general knowledge questions and answers which shall be useful for various competitive exams conducted by UPSC, SSC, railways and banks. So let's get started. Question 1. Ashok Chakra, that is the wheel of law in India's national flag, has how many spokes? Here are the options. The correct answer is 24. The Ashok Chakra, that is the wheel of law in India's national flag, has 24 spokes. Question 2. Nongkrem Dance Festival is celebrated in which state of India annually? These are the options. The correct answer is Meghalaya. Question 3. The idea of fundamental duties in Indian Constitution has been derived from. Have a look at the options. The correct answer is Soviet Union Constitution. Next question. Whether the bill in the parliament is a money bill or not is decided by. Here are the options. The correct answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Okay friends, so Speaker of Lok Sabha decides whether the bill in the parliament is a money bill or not. Question 5. Mahavira, also known as Vardhamana, was the dash Tirthankar of Jainism. Here are the options. The correct answer is 24th. Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. Question 6. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is year 1942. Quit India movement was launched in year 1942. Question 7. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain during World War II? These are the options. The correct answer is Winston Churchill. Next question. People of which civilization used hieroglyphic script? Here are the options. The correct answer is Egyptian civilization. People of Egyptian civilization use hieroglyphic script. Question 9. Which of the following is not a principal organ of United Nations? Here are the options. The correct answer is World Trade Organization. Friends, WTO, World Trade Organization, is not a principal organ of United Nations. Other three options, that is the General Assembly, Security Council and International Court of Justice, are the principal organs of United Nations. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following country is not a signatory of Non-Proliferation Treaty, that is the NPT? Here are the options. The correct answer is India. India has not signed the Non-Proliferation Treaty so far. Question 11. Which of the following book has not been written by William Shakespeare? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is C. Wealth of Nations. This book, The Wealth of Nations, has been written by Adam Smith. Question 12. Inflation is caused by. Here are the options. The correct answer is increase in general spending or money supply. Increase in general spending or money supply results into inflation in the economy. Question 13. Which of the following is not a measure of economic growth? Here are the options. The correct answer is money circulation. money in circulation. Money in circulation is not a measure of economic growth, whereas per capita income, net domestic product and gross national product, all these are a measure of economic growth. Question 14. Which of the following company has a status of Navratna? Here are the options. The correct answer is Hindustan Petroleum. Moving on to the next question. Sound travels fastest in. Here are the options. The correct answer is solids. The sound travels fastest in solids as compared to gases or liquids. Goiter is caused by the malfunctioning of. Here are the options. The correct answer is thyroid gland. Goiter is caused by malfunctioning of thyroid gland. Question 17. Organic chemistry is the study of compounds of. Here are the options. The correct answer is carbon. Organic chemistry is the study of compounds of carbon. Question 18. Which is the largest archipelago in the world? Here are the options. The correct answer is Indonesia. Moving on to the next question. The Panama Canal connects which two oceans? These are the options. The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Question 20. Nagarjuna Sagar project is situated on which river? Have a look at the options. The correct answer is River Krishna. Nagarjuna Sagar project is situated on River Krishna. Question 21. Karwar Harbour is located in which state of India? Here are the options. The correct answer is Karnataka. Question 22. Television transmission began in India in which year? These are the options. The correct answer is 1959. Television transmission in India began in the year 1959. Question 23. In context of economic activities, what does abbreviation EEZ stand for? Here are the options. The correct answer is Exclusive Economic Zone. EEZ stands for Exclusive Economic Zone. Question 24. Which of the following is not a part of Grand Slam tennis? This must be an easy one. Have a look at the options. Yes, so the correct answer is German Open, right? Australian Open, French Open, US Open, and one more, that is Wimbledon. These four comprise the Grand Slam of tennis. Question 25. This will be the last question for this quiz. The number of participating players in the game of field polo is. Here are the options. The correct answer is 4. 4 in each team. Okay. So friends, that's it for this quiz. If you found it useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.